My heaven on earth cake for my husband's birthday. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. This weekend is my sweetheart's birthday. I asked him what cake he would like me to prepare for him, and he asked for my heaven on earth cake with strawberries. Absolutely super simple to make and extremely delicious. Before we continue, I am just bursting at the seams. A couple of hours ago, I was so thrilled to find this beautiful necklace that I have been searching high and low for the last 15 years. And I'm so happy I found it. I had to put it on, and I'm going to be wearing it for quite a while just from my joy. This beautiful necklace my husband presented to me 48 years ago when he came to my home to ask my father for my hand in marriage. And this was the gift. And for the last 15 years, I didn't know what happened to it. And I finally just resigned to the fact that it's gone. But it's not. It's here. I prayed to St. Anthony. I prayed to my mama. And this morning, 2 hours ago, I found it. And please let me know if you have any stories like this one. Now let's get started. Preparing the dough for the cake is very quick. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need your stand mixer with a paddle and 6 large eggs at room temperature. I'm going to scramble the eggs for a couple of minutes. 3/4 cup of refined sugar. Just stream it in. Increase the speed and beat until the sugar really breaks down and it's an extremely pale yellow. Because my husband's birthday is in a couple of days, I want a little bit of insurance while I'm making this fabulous frosting for this cake, and I'm going to add 1 package of gelatin. Bring to a boil a 1/4 cup of water. Add the gelatin to a heat-proof dish because you know I will have to melt it before I add it. Let the water is boiling, turn off your stove and add it to the gelatin. We're going to give it a good 15 minutes to bloom. It's been mixing for 10 minutes. Perfect. This pale yellow and this thickness is what you're looking for. Lower the mixer to stir. You will need 1.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. It's vital that with this recipe, you definitely have to sift the flour before measuring it out. To the flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Set your mixer at the lowest setting point because you don't want to overmix, and gently sprinkle in the flour. Stop the mixer and do a scrape down. Gently. The batter is ready. You will need 3 8-inch pans. I sprayed them parchment lined inside and again sprayed and a little bit of flour just for insurance. I make very thin layers, so we're going to divide it by 3 with a very thin portion in each. These cake layers are very thin, so I wanted to make sure that they would all be the same size, and they're approximately 21 ounces each. In the oven for approximately 20 minutes. When you see it golden brown, you know they're ready. My cake layers baked off beautifully. I want you to note that they're not very thick, and that's fine. Now we're going to begin with the beautiful frosting for this cake. Begin with 2 cups of cold whipping cream. Start whipping it up. Took this gelatin 15 minutes to bloom. Now we're going to melt it over some hot water and get it ready to add to our beautiful icing. We're going to start adding 1.5 cups of vanilla custard. If you want the recipe how to make this custard, go to my website. What we're really making is a diplomat cream, and the recipe for that is under my tarte tropozien. Gelatin is melting. Stream in the gelatin. You can prepare this cake with as many berries, different types of berries that you like. My husband prefers strawberry, and that's what I'm going to be using. First layer, I'm going to give you guys a fabulous tip. I sliced these strawberries with my egg slicer. Look how beautiful they came out. Another layer of strawberries. The third layer, I'm going to turn it upside down because it's nice and straight. There we are. Now for the final top, I'm going to do something a little bit different. There. My offset spatula, I'm just going to do a little bit of a clean decoration on the sides. And our cake is done. It needs to be refrigerated for 24 hours and it'll be all ready for tomorrow, my husband's birthday. Do stay tuned because my grandchildren are planning to sing happy birthday to Nonu. The final touch is a little bit of icing sugar. How beautiful and festive is this cake? And I will tell you, it's absolutely delicious. That's why I call it my heaven on earth cake.
Rosalba, how's the cake? How's the
So
cake?
delicious.
Delicious? Heaven on earth?
Strawberry shortcake heaven.
It's not actually, it's heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth.
Sei la più bella del mondo.
Rosalba, what did you
La
say?
più bella per me. Ed era tutta la vita che non aspettavo che te. Sei la più bella del mondo. Religione per me. Mi piaci da impazzire. Mi piaci come sei. Fai quello che senti, manifesti i tuoi senti, mostrandoli con il ritmo del tuo cuore.
I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will try this fabulous cake over the summer season. The strawberries are coming in beautiful, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipe. Have a fabulous summer, everybody.
Sei la
Ciao.
più bella del mondo. La più bella per me.